Today, most organizations aren't limited to their internal network anymore. Users connect from everywhere. Applications live in the cloud, and data needs to stay secure no matter where it goes. In this first episode, we are going to break down the basics. What is Microsoft Entra? What is a hybrid environment? And why does combining the two create a powerful and secure foundation for identity management? For many years, Windows Active Directory served as the core of organizational infrastructure, managing user identities and resource sharing. Traditionally, organizations hosted their applications and data on premises, with internal IT teams overseeing administration and security to ensure system reliability and protection. With the rise of cloud computing, organizations began migrating their infrastructure and data either partially or fully to the cloud. This shift allows them to leverage benefits such as cost savings, reduced administrative workload, and enabling IT teams to focus on more strategic initiatives. But as the workplace evolved and more organizations moved their workloads to the cloud, traditional Active Directory alone wasn't enough anymore. Companies needed a modern identity solution, one that could connect users, devices, and applications across both on-premises and cloud environments, while keeping everything secure and consistent. That's where Microsoft Entra ID comes in. Entra ID, previously known as Azure Active Directory, is Microsoft's cloud-based identity platform designed to handle authentication, authorization, and access management for both cloud and hybrid infrastructures. It authenticates users, protects login, and controls access to cloud apps like Microsoft 365, Azure resources, and thousands of SaaS applications. If you come from an on-prem background, think of Entra ID as the evolution of Active Directory built for the cloud. Let's quickly compare them. Active Directory lives on your servers. Entra ID lives in Microsoft's cloud. Active Directory uses Kerberos and NTLM for authentication. Entra ID uses OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect. Active Directory manages devices with GPUs, while Entra uses Intune and MDM policies. And Entra ID adds modern security features like MFA and conditional access. So instead of just managing logins inside your network, Entra ID extends identity management to the cloud. If your organization uses Office 365 products such as Outlook, OneDrive, or Teams, you already have Microsoft Entra ID. The users who sign in to access these applications are authenticated through their Entra ID identities. Now, let's talk about hybrid environments. An hybrid environment is when an organization operates part of its infrastructure on premises and the other part is hosted on the cloud. An example of this architecture is an Active Directory running on premises with some enterprise applications and Microsoft Office 365 applications running on the cloud. Entra ID will ensure that on-premises and cloud environments share a consistent set of identities, groups, and roles. This means users can use the same credentials to securely access resources across both environments, whether those resources are hosted locally or in the cloud. So in this episode, we learned what Microsoft Entra is, what a hybrid environment means, and how this setup strengthens your organization's identity security. In the next episode, we will get hands-on. I will show you how to connect your on-prem Active Directory to Microsoft Entra ID step by step. Do not forget to subscribe if you want to follow the full series. Thanks for watching.